Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I didn't make an intro, but that was the inspo picture that I was going for, the look I'm going for today. So I go straight into eyeshadow. So this look is very different from what I usually do, and it was actually a recreation to a photo that I seen on Instagram, and I wanted to recreate it. I am applying a brown eyeshadow on the crease and also like making it a wing. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am building up this crease color with a bunch of brown, gray kind of colors. And then I'm gonna take this like burgundy, well it came out more burgundy than I thought, but it's like a cranberry type of color, and I built it up to kind of same effect with that like cut crease area. And then I took a concealer, cutting the crease. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the crease but making like a shape where you can still see the shadow liner. I've done this look before, but I never really got a lot of views, so I kind of like been trying to do more, eyeshadow looks, and this is one of them that I really want to perfect. So here you're gonna see me take a like silvery gold kind of eyeshadow, and I took the MAC dazzle glass eyeshadow, and I kind of topped it off in the center because I didn't want it to be too silver. It came out more like silver gold. I'm actually gonna do this eye on my other eye, and I'll be right back. I did the foundation off camera, but I used the NARS Radiant Reflecting Liquid Foundation, and I took the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Almond. For the foundation, I used NARS in Barcelona, I think. And I also blended it with the Ethereal brush collection from Morphe. I blended out my concealer, and then I go in with contour, and I also used the Fenty cream contour in the shade Teddy. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Mercier powder. I'm literally on my last fucking type thing. I'm gonna just take a powder puff, set my under eye, use it to really, I didn't necessarily bake, but I really like pounced it in my skin really good so it doesn't move, because I really like a matte face. I get really oily throughout the day. I took the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I also took the Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer. So I took the Modio Twin blush and contour palette, but I took the more like paler, like more peach color. finished up my under eye eyeshadow. So yeah, and then I used a Jaclyn Hill highlighting powder for my cheekbone. I used the color Iced. That's my favorite color. And I moved on to the lips. So I used MAC Spice lip liner.
Turn me up a little bit.
I used this Too Faced watermelon lip balm. I think it looks too rosy. I don't know. I don't like this type of look for the eyeshadow, but whatever. This is the finished look, and I have a couple pictures to show you guys the eyeshadow. This is like at the end of the day that I took them, but yeah, that's pretty much my eyeshadow look. That concludes my video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.